Hi, I'm Jess, and this is Intro to Adulthood. Today we're going to do some car stuff because as I got home from work, my brake lights wouldn't turn off. I recently replaced my brake switch in my car, so after talking to my mom and grandpa, we figured that we would check if it was out of place. So I crawled in, and I'm just underneath the steering wheel here in front of the driver's seat, and this panel under the steering wheel at the very base has two screws in it. So I took them out already, but there's one on either far side of that panel, and this is just what the screw looks like. So once you have those screws out, you'll actually be able to stick your hand in the panel here and yank it forward. You will have to do a little bit of force there because there's these wedge brackets that fit into the holes there. So it kind of wedges it in, so pull hard. The white piece back there is the brake switch, and it's not in place. If it was in place properly, then it would be sitting straight up and down that black and white line. So I'll take it out and show you. Here, there's the little black plunger. It does go straight into that piece. And then there's the little white cross section piece right there that fits into that hole. So you're just going to put the little plunger straight into the hole bit and the cross section into the cross section. Push it all the way so it's flush against the metal, and push against the white part so that you're going to click it forward. You'll hear a really loud audible click. It was hard for me to get in the angle I was in, so I had to cut when I was doing it. But as you see, it doesn't move anymore, and it's in a stable position. So to put the panel back on, just put the panel, line up the little wedge piece with the hole, and you're gonna have to bang it back in there, because again, wedging. So use some leverage, bang it in, and then go back and lie back down in front of your driver's seat here, and make sure that you put your screws back in place to secure that panel again. Luckily, it all worked.